Thank you very much for clicking on Zara Niger. This special video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make onion hair oil. It helps the hair grow rapidly fast and also prevents breakage. First, I have my onions here peeled. Cut it into pieces and then put it in the blender. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and I'm going to blend everything together. You can see my blended onions in the frying pan already. Then add half a glass of coconut oil. It is now being heated up and we are going to be stirring it gently. All the juice have now dried up. You can see the oil. It's cold already, so I'm going to put it into a clean, smooth sieve and then squeeze it very well. Squeeze all the oil from the chaff. Our onions oil for our hair is ready. Scalp, massage it into the scalp 3 or 4 times a week and you will see the rapid growth in your hair. This also prevents hair breakage. Thank you for watching Zara Niger on YouTube. Please follow us on our other social media platforms, that's Facebook and Instagram. And also don't forget to watch our other interesting videos. And please like and subscribe so that you can get our fresh videos as we drop them. Thank you. Waiting to hear your feedback.